Understanding Butter Dish, a simple guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a common item found in many kitchens, the butter dish. If you're learning English, understanding everyday terms like this can really enhance your vocabulary. So, let's dive in and learn all about what a butter dish is and how it's used. A butter dish is a small container specifically designed to hold butter. It usually consists of two parts, a base and a cover. The base holds the butter, while the cover protects it from air, dust, and other contaminants. Butter dishes can be made from various materials like glass, ceramic, or plastic. They are practical because they keep the butter at a consistent temperature, making it easier to spread. Butter dishes have been around for centuries, evolving in design and material. In the past, they were often made of silver or porcelain and considered a decorative table item. Today, you can find butter dishes in many styles, from modern and minimalist to ornate and vintage. Some even come with additional features like a lid with a handle or a base with measurement markings. Using a butter dish is simple. You place a stick or block of butter on the base and cover it with the lid. It's best to keep the butter dish in a cool place to prevent the butter from melting. For cleaning, most butter dishes are dishwasher safe, but it's always good to check the manufacturer's instructions. Hand washing with mild soap and water works well too, especially for more delicate dishes. In many cultures, the butter dish is more than just a kitchen tool. It's part of the dining experience. It's often brought out during meals, symbolizing hospitality and the comfort of home. In some places, the design of the butter dish can reflect cultural art and traditions. I hope this video has been informative and has helped you understand what a butter dish is. It's a small but essential part of many kitchens around the world. Remember, learning about everyday items like this can really enrich your English language journey. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.